Public health officials in Kansas are monitoring a tuberculosis outbreak that left 2 people dead and more than 60 others infected. TB is one of the world's leading infectious disease killers.
Yeah, it's spread person to person by germs that can potentially stay in the air for hours. ABC's Rena Roy reports.
Public health officials in Kansas City are sounding the alarm about a tuberculosis outbreak that has killed 2 people and infected at least 67 others. It's the largest documented outbreak of TB in U.S. history, with authorities saying there are likely dozens of others with inactive TB.
Inactive means you don't have symptoms, you can't spread it. However, it can reactivate at some point later. About 1 in 10 people that will happen.
Tuberculosis is one of the world's leading infectious disease killers and is spread person to person by germs that can stay in the air for hours.
You do need prolonged contact with an infected individual. You know, if you briefly come into contact with somebody in the community, it's not very likely that you're going to contract tuberculosis. The exact reason for this specific outbreak is not yet clear.
While TB rates in the United States have been declining since the early 90s, including by nearly 20% during the first year of the pandemic, CDC data shows rates began climbing in 2021 and 2022, surpassing pre-pandemic levels in 2023. The bacterial disease most often affects the lungs, experts urging people to look out for these symptoms.
If you have active TB, the symptoms would be usually a cough that's prolonged over 3 weeks, sometimes a bloody cough, fever, night sweats, chills, weight loss, fatigue, weakness. Those would be the things to be looking for.
A vaccine is often given to kids in countries where TB is more prevalent, though it hasn't been commonly used here in America.
Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.